How to save your LinkedIn profile as a PDF. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to save your LinkedIn profile as a PDF. In order to do that, you first have to open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for LinkedIn. Go to linkedin.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. I'm already logged into mine, so what you want to do is basically find your profile icon at the top right, which is besides notifications. Click on the drop down and you'll have an option to view your profile. Click on it. Once you get to your profile page, now you're almost done with your process. You can see different options over here. So you have open to, add profile selection, and then you have enhanced profile, then resources. You basically have to tap on resources. If you don't see resources here, you'll have more or some other options that something similar like this. Now all you have to do is tap on this save to PDF button and your profile will be saved as a PDF. Now the profile has been downloaded, just go ahead and tap on it and you'll see your profile has been saved as a PDF along with your experience and your contact links. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.